Welcome to our advanced exploration of Microsoft Excel. In this video, we'll look at the power of sorting data. In this last video of the series, I'm going to talk you through sorting data. And Excel makes this very easy, but I find that it's actually an incredibly useful function. This example spreadsheet I've been using isn't really, well, I can do a quick demonstration, but I really need to create a new spreadsheet that makes clearer the uses of this function, of this feature. So let's select this area, and Data, Sort. So sort by, and what it's asking is which column are we going to sort by? And it's decided that DVDs is a column heading. And also 2 is a column heading, 5 is a column heading, because when you make a selection, or if you don't make a selection, it tries to sort the entire worksheet. But if you make a selection, then it automatically assigns the top row as column headings. So we're sorting by DVDs, by this column essentially, in ascending order rather than descending order. And does it have a header row? No header row, because if we kept the header row, then this row would remain unaffected, whereas I really want to sort this area of the table alphabetically, just as a demo. So let's choose no header row, and OK. So what it's done now is it's sorted the area I selected alphabetically according to this column. So it's sorted these rows. It's moved these rows around. It hasn't changed the data in the rows, but it's sorted the rows so that these row headings, or basically everything in these columns, is now sorted alphabetically. CDs, DVDs, fulfillment, inserts. Okay, let's create a new worksheet. Actually, that will do, Sheet 2, and I'll put together a quick demo of what I've often found is very useful. Okay, I just put together a very quick worksheet with headings at the top of these columns: name of customer, address line 1, address line 2, address line 3, country, and shipping option. And this is similar to a spreadsheet I deal with when I work with a fulfillment company, when I send them the necessary details to get packages sent out. And actually, what I could include, okay, right-click here, insert new column, and let's say package type. And okay, let's stretch that package out. Let's say there are 3 package types. There's an A, and okay, there are a few A's, some B's, some C's, and okay, that will do. 3 package types, and they're all mixed up at the moment. Okay, name of customer, and let me quickly fill this in. And actually, what I'll do is, obviously I don't want to spend the next 20 minutes making up names and addresses, so let's keep this very simple. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. And here, it doesn't really matter. Let's just say A, B, C, D, E, F, and copy that across all these cells. And okay, lastly, let's say there are 2 shipping options, option 1 and option 2. And let's just copy and paste that into a number of these, and do that again with option 1, so it's all mixed up. Okay, so what I've often found helpful when you have a worksheet full of information like this, obviously there are column headings, and those aren't going to move. But sometimes it's very useful to sort the data by package type, for example. So data, sort, And you see that it automatically selects all the data in the worksheet and sort by, choose a column you're sorting by. So I'm going to choose package type, ascending, and does it have a header row? Yes, this does have a header row in this instance, so let's OK that. So now it's sorted the data and kept all the row information intact, but it sorted it by package type. So that would make it easier for the fulfillment company. And what I've often done, in fact, is sort by package type, and then within that initial sorting, you can sort further by whatever you wish, but I often choose country. And then you can do shipping option. So ascending, 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 header row, yes. Let's OK that, and there we go. So first of all, it sorts by package type. All the A's are in a group, all the B's are in a group, all the C's are grouped. And then, let's scroll over. Then it sorts by country, which in this example is meaningless because it's all the same. And then lastly, it sorts by shipping option. So, let's split the screen so it's a bit easier to see, so we can scroll these two sections of the screen separately. There we go. So we can still see package type, and we can scroll over without affecting that. So within the A's, all the shipping options have been sorted. Then within the B's, the different shipping options have been sorted. Then within the C's, the different shipping options have been sorted. So using those multiple sorting options, we sorted by package type first. Then within package type, we sorted by country. And this wasn't a very good example in this case. And then within country, we sorted by shipping options. So I find the data sort option within Excel very useful that way, because it takes a whole bunch of data you may have accumulated and helps to organize it in a much more easy to read and useful way.